I'm going to quickly show you how you can stack photos in Lightroom 2022. Let's jump into it. Okay guys, so right now we are in Lightroom 2022, and just for the sake of this video, we are using version 5.2. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some drone photos and we're going to stack them in Lightroom. Now this will apply if you took them with your Sony camera or with a drone, it doesn't matter. So what you wanna do is you wanna select the photos that you're going to stack. So I'm going to select these 5 photos right here. For you, it might be 3 photos. It could even be 6 photos. However many photos you want to stack, just make sure they're all selected. So once you have those photos selected that you want to merge, you want to go up to the photo tab. Then you want to go all the way down to the bottom and you'll see a photo merge button. And here you select HDR merge. Okay guys, so right now we've loaded the image preview. On the screen we have a few options here on the right hand side. We have the auto align and the apply auto settings. So the apply auto settings will apply like some edits, and auto align will make sure that all of the different images are lined up perfectly, because if they're not, then your photo is going to look blurry. We also have the de-ghost amount. So de-ghosting, basically, to describe it in the easiest way possible, it results from objects moving in the frame from shot to shot. So when you're shooting a bracketed sequence and there's wind and whatnot, that can cause ghosting. So we want to de-ghost, and you can do a really low amount. I like to stick with medium. That usually works the best. And you can actually, by clicking here, show the de-ghost overlay. So then once you have your settings in check, you just hit merge, and then up here you can see that it is saving the HDR, and voila, here is our HDR photo. So if I select it, now we have our merged shot. If this video helped you out at all, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos. And also please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way it ranks higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.